My video guide is about getting rid of the browser notifications and fake human verification alerts which are associated with the site lpnotes.com. lpnotes.com is the website that attacks Google, Chrome and other browsers. It tries to mislead people and to make them click on this allow button, supposedly to help them confirm that they are humans and not robots. But it is a mistake to do that. It's a mistake to click on allow button, and if it was clicked by mistake, you should urgently implement some browser fixes. Access the menu, settings, then you need to select privacy and security, go to site settings, then in permissions choose notifications. So pay attention to the websites that are allowed to send notifications. If you find this lpnotes.com, make sure you remove it from the list. And also remove other junk websites if you find them here. Finally, I recommend that you also research your computer with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get its fresh version on this website, combocleaner.com. Download the software, install it, and begin investigating your device with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called Anti-Ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.